Right after the big meeting the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy had with the Telugu film industry insiders, he says, and I quote, a cabinet subcommittee will be constituted to resolve problems of the Telugu film industry. Industry will also form a committee. The government appeals to the film industry to promote eco-tourism and temple tourism. Mumbai becomes the hub of Bollywood due to compatible conditions there. That's what, citing an example, Revanth Reddy says, for the Hindi film industry, for Bollywood, Mumbai is perfect. Hyderabad is the best city among all cosmopolitan cities. Steps must be initiated to bring Hollywood and Bollywood now to Hyderabad. The government is also making efforts to organize big conferences to attract other film industries to Hyderabad. The government's main objective is to promote the film industry to the next level. That's more or less the crux of the meeting we hear. But this comes, of course, right in time when Allu Arjun faces legal hurdles in the Sandhya Theatre Stampede case. During his screening of Pushpa 2, a lady lost her life. While he faces that legal battle, here you have Revanth Reddy holding a meet with several Telugu film industry insiders. Apurva joining us for more on that. Apurva, this meeting with the Telugu film industry is timely and raises a lot of questions. You have the BJP already pointing fingers at the Congress, saying this is an attempt by the Congress to threaten the film industry because their extortion bids haven't worked, calling the Congress as a party that's trying to extort money from the industry.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, this meeting that we are seeing there that just took place this morning, we saw several interesting developments that had come in, be it from the chief, the Telangana government side as a request to the Telugu film industry, or be it from the TFI, the Telugu film industry, to the government and vice versa. There were a lot of requests and suggestions that were put in from both fronts. Most importantly, one by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, wherein he talked about how he wanted the Telugu film industry to encourage a lot more of ecotourism and temple tourism as well. This apart from partaking actively in anti-drug campaigns and women's safety campaigns, which the Telangana government has been actively doing. On the other side, the Telugu industry also wanted the Chief Minister to or the Telangana government rather, to kind of give them any kind of approvals if needed, any kind of suggestions if they had to put across to the government. Then they wanted the government to take heed to their suggestions, to their approvals as well. So all of these things, it looks like it's been an interesting chat that the Chief Minister, the Cinematographer Minister and several other leaders from the Congress there, they had accompanied the Chief Minister there to meet with the Telugu film industry leaders. And we're also getting to see that several of them, led by Chairman Dil Raju, they are also put across their apprehensions and their reservations, be it help from the state that they want, or be it any kind of necessities, things that had to be approved by the government with respect to the Telugu film industry. In fact, the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy also went on and reiterated how they want Telangana to be the hub for film industry, be it Tollywood, Bollywood, Collywood, or even international standards. He wanted to ensure that Telangana becomes an international hub for people, producers,
just
directors,
like how
movie
Mumbai
makers
is
to
for
come in
Bollywood.
here.
Revanth Reddy pitching for Hyderabad to be that for, of course, Bollywood and Hollywood, wanting to attract filmmakers even from Hollywood there, making it an international hub.